Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Technically Explained is here to present you with another tutorial of Microsoft PowerPoint, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add animation to data charts in Microsoft PowerPoint. Almost all the PowerPoint presentation have some sort of data that needs to be presented. To visualize that data, we need to use a data charts. Now how to insert data charts and how to animate them we will learn in this video. So I have opened up my PowerPoint presentation and I am going to select blank presentation. On the title slide I am going to change the layout to blank. For example, I want to insert chart on this presentation, so that's why I have changed its layout to blank. Now to insert the data chart I need to click on insert here and then I need to click on chart. Now when I click on chart, this type of window is going to appear, and the chart that I am going to select is the column type, and I am going to select this 3D column type chart. So let me click on that 3D column type chart, and the preview is also going to appear, and as I move my cursor on this preview it gets bigger. So now I am happy with this chart and I am going to press OK. As soon as I press OK, that chart will be inserted into your PowerPoint slide, and along with that some spreadsheet will also appear in which the values of this chart will appear. I'm going to hide this for now because I'm dealing with my data chart. So let me adjust the size of this data chart. So I'm just adjusting the size of this data chart, and when I'm happy with the size of this data chart, I'm going to edit its properties a bit. If you can have a look in the design tab, you have the chart styles. You can select the chart style of your own, of whatever style you want. You can select those chart type, but I'm going to select this chart type because I believe that it's more attractive and appealing. So I'm going to click on it, and now the chart has been inserted, and now I want to animate this data chart. To animate this data chart, I am going to click on animations, and then I am going to click on animation pane here. So whatever I am doing, we are looking at whatever steps we are taking. So that's why the animation pane has appeared over here. So to select animation, I am going to select the fly in animation. Now after selecting the fly in animation, if you can look in the slides flow, we have simply the whole animation appear at once. I do not want to do it. I want to make it more attractive. To make it more attractive, what I am going to do is that I am going to right click on the animation pane and I am going to go to the effect option. In the effect option, I am going to go to the chart animation. When I go to the chart animation, I have different types of group chart appear. I can select it by series. Now let's see what by series will do. I'm going to press OK, and then I'm going to, you can have a look. First my values have first my chart title and my values have appeared. So my values are on the left side. I have the categories on the x-axis and then the series on the y-axis. So then when I press the down key, I have the category 1. When I press the down key again, I have the series 1 and then the series 2 and then the values of the series 3. So if I want this to be in another way, for example, if I want to have more animation, again I'm going to go to the effect options, and in the chart animation I can select it by category. Now we will have category 1 appear, then category 2 and then category 3. You can have a look. The layout of the chart has appeared. We have the category 1, category 2, category 3 and finally the category 4. Now if I want every element of the category to appear one by one, again I am going to click here and I am going to go to the effect options and again to the chart animation, and I can select by element in series or by element in category. So let me select the by element in series and again look at this slideshow. Now again on the first click, the chart title and the layout is going to appear. We have the first series of the category 1, then we have the series 1 of the category 2, series 1 of the category 3, and finally the category 4. When I'm done explaining all these, I'm going to go to the category uh, series 2, and then I'm going to go to the series 3, and that's going to pop up one by one. Now if I want the uh, other option, again I'm going to click on effect option. In the chart animation, I'm going to select by element in category. Again I'm going to go to the slideshow. Again first the layout is going to appear. We have the series 1 category 1. Again in category 1 we have the other element, which is series 2. In the category 3 we have the third element, and then we will come to category 2, and then to category 3, and then finally to category 4. Now this type of animation is very attractive and very appealing to the audience. So the audience will enjoy looking at this animation. And to change values, I can simply right click on it, and then I can click on edit data. Once I click on edit data, the spreadsheet is going to appear. So I can change the values of the categories and the series from here. So if you like my this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.